Symphony of Heart. When the heart speaks, the mind finds it indecent to object. Heart is an abode of universal wisdom. And what is the wisdom of heart? The part of you that is the healthiest, the most constructive, the most wholesome contributor to your life. It is often said in English that hunches seldom let you down. What emanates from the recess of the heart doesn't go in vain. The heart points to the most essential dimensions with you and not to be connected with that and to live your life as if that dimension did not exist is really missing the very purpose of your life on earth, no matter what you achieve outwardly. So long as I listened to my mind, I failed to reach my destination. The moment I listened to the voice of my heart, the destination was before me. Heart always guides you truly and honestly, unlike the mind and its plastic intelligence. Mind misleads, heart heals is an adage that is popular in all cultures and civilizations as axiomatic wisdom. The language of the heart is feelings. When we follow our hearts, we listen not to our head but to what we feel is right. But to listen to the hints emerging from the heart, one has to be full of discernment and be deeply attentive. Thank you very much.